Welcome to today's video on how to make some jalapeno cornbread. You will need 2 boxes of corn muffin mix, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of half and half, a 1/4 cup of jalapenos, 1 can of whole kernel corn, and 1 1/2 to 3 cups of chicken broth. Dicing jalapenos. You will need a cutting board, some jalapenos, and a knife. Place the knife on the board and use 3 fingers at the tip of the knife to hold down on the cutting board. Move the handle of the knife in an up and down motion while fanning the knife from side to side. Begin the dicing process by making a few passes back and forth through the jalapenos. Then gather your jalapenos to the center of the board, rotate, place your 3 fingers on the tip of the knife, and begin again. You will want to keep doing this until you have the desired size of jalapeno pieces. Then gather up your jalapeno pieces and add them to your 1/4 cup. Okay, after you've drained your corn, we're going to set that to the side. That'll be the second to the last thing that we add. We're going to go ahead and get started mixing these items together. So, let's go ahead and drop 2 eggs into the mixer. Let's go ahead and add a 1/2 cup of half and half. Don't worry about the directions on the box. This will be fine, as the corn and the jalapenos will both add juice to the mixture. If you're not going to stuff this in your turkey, you can use cream corn instead of whole kernel corn. Let's go ahead and get both boxes in and get the mixer going. Okay, let's go ahead and mix that together. We're going to go ahead and add our corn. Give that a stir. And as you can see now, it looks more like what cornbread should look like. Then we're going to go ahead and add our jalapenos. And give them a good stir. Alright, I'm going to add a few more. Let them stir again. And yeah, that looks pretty good. But we only have a few left, so we're just going to go ahead and put the rest of it in there. As you can see, my mixer is old and gets stuck sometimes. It turns itself back on. We're just going to go ahead and scrape the beater. And then we'll go ahead and put this in a dish. It's been 30 minutes. It's not quite finished yet. We're going to pop it back in the oven for an additional 10 minutes and check it again. Okay, it's been an additional 10 minutes. So our cornbread stuffing has been in the oven for about 40 minutes. Let's check it. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and take that out and let it cool. Let's give you a close-up look on jalapeno cornbread stuffing. Delicious. To prep the stuffing for the oven, take your cornbread. Now you can place it in a bowl or an aluminum pan and use your fingers to crumble the pieces. Start by adding about 1.5 cups of chicken broth, mix this together until the cornbread is squishy. Now I can tell I need a bit more broth, so I'm going to add another cup. Mix this around again. I can tell this time it's perfect. And now I'm going to place my stuffing in the same pan I baked it in. Once you get all your cornbread in the pan, gently mash it down and press it into the pan. And this is ready to go in the oven on 325 degrees for about 45 minutes. And here's your finished jalapeno cornbread stuffing. Ready to serve. Looks delicious. If you like this video, please click the subscribe berry at the bottom right-hand corner of the video. Thank you for watching, and check out my other awesome cooking tutorials.